Good day, everyone. Today, I will be sharing with you something very important in learning, the research process. Research is more than just looking for answers online. It is a careful and organized way of finding out the truth, solving problems, and discovering new ideas. As students, knowing how to do research properly helps us in our projects, assignments, and in making good decisions. Let's explore the steps of the research process and understand how each one guides us to reliable and useful information. What is research? Research is the process of gathering information for the purpose of initiating, modifying, or terminating a particular investment or group of investments. Research is a careful and organized way of finding answers to questions or solving problems. It involves gathering information, studying facts, and analyzing data to understand something better or discover something new. In short, research helps us learn more about a topic by using evidence and following clear steps. There are 7 steps of the research process. First is define the research problem. Next is review of literature. The third one is formulate hypothesis. The fourth one is preparing the research design. Fifth is data collection. Sixth is data analysis. And the last one is interpretation and report writing. The step 1. Define the research problem. There are 2 types of research problem. Relate to states of nature, relationship between variables. Essentially, 2 steps are involved in defining research problems. Understanding the problem thoroughly, and the next one is rephrasing the same into meaningful terms from a point of view. The step 2 is a review of literature. Once the problem is defined, the brief summary of it should be written down. It is compulsory for a research worker writing a thesis to write a synopsis of topic and submit it to necessary committee or the research board for approval. The review of literature is a critical step in the research process where the researcher gathers, studies, and analyzes existing knowledge related to the research topic. It shows what has already been discovered and helps identify gaps, trends, and strengths in current research. The step 3 is formula hypothesis. Formulate hypothesis is a tentative assumption made in order to draw out and test its logical or empirical consequences. Hypothesis should be very specific and limited to the piece of research in hand because it has to be tested. The role of the hypothesis is to guide the researcher by delimiting the area of research to keep them on the right track. The step 4 is preparing the research design. The function of research design is to provide for the collection of relevant evidence with minimal expenditure of effort, time, and money. Research purpose may be grouped into 4 categories: exploration, description, diagnosis, and experimentation. The step 5 is the data collection. Primary data can be collected by observation, through personal interview, through telephone interview, by mailing of questionnaires, and through schedules. The step 6 is data analysis. The analysis of data requires number of closely related operations such as establishment of categories. This stage mainly include coding, editing, and tabulation. The last step is the interpretation and report writing. Researcher has to prepare the report of what has been done by him. Writing report includes the preliminary pages, the main text, and the end matter. And that ends my report. Thank you for listening and God bless everyone.